Alright guys, so today we have this Ford Fiesta. This one has the 1.6 engine, and on this one the customer has a small leak. Okay, so we can see here on the floor, and you can see right here. We're gonna replace the oil filter, and also we're gonna replace the oil cooler seal or gasket. It's like a big O-ring. Let me show you guys the part number, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to remove this housing and replace the gasket. Alright, so this gasket I got it from Felpro, and this is the part number. There it is, for 1.6 engine. So we're gonna go ahead and show you steps and how to remove the housing. We're gonna go ahead and use these pliers for the oil filter to start, and I'm gonna use this container to hold the oil. Alright, so here we have it. This one actually holds 4.9 liters, so we should be fine to drain the whole oil, and then just to use it as a container here. Alright, so the next step, now that we have the filter out, we're gonna be using a size 12 millimeter Allen wrench. And that one is gonna go in the middle of the thread. We can see it there. I just put it in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and start to loosen it up with that wrench. I don't think it's necessary removing the coolant lines, because I'm just gonna replace the O-ring in the back of the cooler. So the coolant, you don't need to touch it unless you're gonna do like a flush or something, or unless you're gonna replace the cooler. Alright, so here's the bolt that holds the filter and the cooler. Alright, so here's the bolt that holds the filter and the cooler. Here's where you screw the filter, and inside there is where we have our Allen size 12. We can see right here in the back, the O-ring is stuck in the block. Guys, if you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also help us with a like. That way we can reach as many people as we can, so we can help them how to fix their car. Also, put in the comments where you guys are watching us from. We love to know where our subscribers are. Okay guys, so we seen the O-ring. This O-ring has like a little lip. That lip goes in these little metal edges. And don't worry about the oil. The oil most likely never gonna stop leaking. Just wanna show you how you have to guide this little lip around the metal guides. See how on this end it goes inside? I'm not sure about this end, it's hard to see. Yeah, it's not inside yet. Okay, there it is. This side went inside now. Alright. I'm gonna put it up so it stops leaking. And even if it's still leaking, you can still install it. That's not a big deal. Since you're not using silicone, it doesn't matter if it's still leaking. The rubber from the O-ring automatically is gonna seal the leak, and it doesn't affect if you have oil in it. So don't worry about that. After we lubricate our seal, we're gonna go ahead and install it. Alright guys, so this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to add oil to your car, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. We love to know if our subscribers have any questions or any suggestions. See you on the next video. Try to be better every day.